What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to add text to a video using Premiere Pro. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After placing your video in your timeline, make sure to select the Type tool or simply use your T key to toggle it on. You can then click in your video preview to add a new text. You can also click and hold to draw a rectangle over your video preview to limit the space you allow for the new text. Premiere will automatically create this pink text layer above your video layer in your timeline. You can drag this text layer across your timeline to change its position and drag either side of your text layer to make it longer or shorter. Select your text using the Type tool and use the shortcut Ctrl and A to select all of your text. Once selected, navigate over to your Effects Controls window on the left-hand side of your interface. In case you are unable to find this window, then make sure that it's enabled under Window, Effect Controls. Here, expand Text, which will allow you to make all of the text changes you need to make. First, you can change the font and the text size here. Below, change the alignment and appearance as well as the color, position, scale, rotation, opacity, and so on. Click on the color under Fill Appearance to change the text color using the Color Picker tool. Below, add a stroke and a background color. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.